Welcome back. In last session, we created 2 new users. Today, we're jumping into device management, a security perimeter you'll want to establish before handling out storage resources. Go ahead and log in as an admin. Select Device Management. The upper section shows a summary of device status, the most used operating system of all devices, and a reminder of default number of devices allowed, which is 1. Thus each user can use only 1 device to log in the system. In the lower section you'll find 3 tabs. My Devices shows the details of devices you've personally used to log in to the account. As an admin, you can increase your device limit anytime using this Increase Device Limit button, each time incrementing by 1. Under Users and Devices is a comprehensive view of every user whose device you can manage. Keep in mind, it's the user's devices you can manage, not the users themselves. Therefore, yourself and fellow admins are included. This gives admins the ability to restrict access from any user device immediately when security issues pop up. Notice, while the option is there, the system actually does not allow you to suspend another admin user. But you can initiate device limit change for any user at your discretion. Other users can also request additional devices when needed. These will be displayed under Pending Request. Let's see how it works by submitting such a request from a standard user's account. After logging in, go to Device Management. Look at how much simpler this page is, compared to the admin's device management page. Click the Request Additional Device button. Give a reason, and then click Submit Request. You can check the status of your request in the My Device Request section. Now it shows pending. Standard users' request will be sent to their managers for approval. Unlike admin's inclusive view, for managers, the device summary provides only their team members' device statistics but not their own. This is consistent with the team overview. Details of their own devices can be obtained in My Device. Additional device request will be sent to the admins for approval. The procedure is exactly the same as regular users, so we don't repeat it. Managers can restrict their team members' device access, but unlike admins, they cannot initiate device limit change. We can see there is 1 pending request. Let's go ahead and approve it. And the user's device limit has been updated. Switch to standard user's account. The request status now showing approved. And this change is reflected immediately on the admin's dashboard as well. Okay, that's all for device management. In the next session, we'll dive into storage management. See you then.